For me, it's all about returning filled sales time, because the more time I can keep my team out of administrative function, the more time I give them back to engage with customers. So Gong has really helped us reduce the time that they're in the tool, and it returns that field sales time, which then gives us the ability to close more deals, plain and simple. My name is Jeff Peterson. I'm the head of sales for LearnUpon. The biggest impact that Gong has had on LearnUpon is improving our insights at the individual level. We do a good job of trying to coach towards better outcomes, but now we have insights to be able to see which reps are actually following the playbook, or maybe they've discovered something new that we haven't thought about, which I love. And so better insights at the individual level that's lining to our business objectives. It's helping us unlock our revenue operations best practices. We run our forecast from top to bottom in Gong, and things are really dialed in. We couldn't live without it from a rev ops standpoint. The Gong forecast tool has been a game changer for us. I saw just how intuitive, I saw the logical connections to the interaction at the opportunity level, and how easy it was for sales reps to be able to kind of make their call and produce the forecast, at the rep level. Gong's AI, in many ways, it gives us the ability to really kind of look deep into the engagement with the customer, pulling a lot of key insights that otherwise we just wouldn't have. It just gives confidence that we're actually looking at the data in a way that helps us improve the business. Gong is just a powerful tool that helps us, achieve that outcome.